Hello, this is Josh from the Working Vegans, and this is one of my vegan rants. So, something that I want to post about. I have been reading a lot of blogs from various people that are talking about how eating large quantities of things like bacon and hot dogs and salami is good. Now, for the record, just because it's vegan doesn't make it good either. For instance, sometimes you can eat massive amounts of quantity of Oreos and it's vegan, but that doesn't make it healthy. But let's just talk about this. So let's not go by my word about it, because I get that some of you will think I'm biased. But I'm looking at some information here from the Cancer Research Center in the UK, and the website for that is cruk.org, and it talks about the correlation between some meats and cancer. And the UK Cancer Research Association basically puts meats at 1 being it causes cancer down to 4. It probably does not cause cancer. And so I'm looking here at some information off their website, and I find this very interesting for all of you that seem to think that eating large amounts of bacon and processed meats are healthy. So let's look at this. Group 1, and the chart says causes cancer. Processed meats have been given a Group 1 classification. Examples of these include bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and salami. So for all of you folks out there that are on various forms of eating plans that are eating large amounts of bacon, I think you should know that causes cancer. The second thing is there's a group called 2A and 2B, and 2A are the ones that probably cause cancer, and 2B is it probably causes cancer, but not as quite as bad. But did you know in 2A, right under the processed meats, they include pork, beef, and lamb? Interesting. Now, it doesn't include chicken or fish, so there you go for all you vegetarian friends out there. But I just want to point that out, that processed meat, pork, beef, and lamb are in the top 2 categories of cancer-causing agents, according to the Cancer Research Center in the UK. So again, if you're eating large, massive amounts of quantities of these, you might not be healthy. It might be something that you want to look at. And don't take my information for it. I'm just a working vegan. But look at some other things. Now, also, on a side note apart from that, I think it's fair to mention, too, that have been called recently a hippie because I suddenly care about the life of industrial animals that exist to be slaughtered. But personally, the fact that they're going to be, slaughtered for people to eat and give other folks cancer, I will take my position about that all the time, because not only do I care about the life of the animals and the conditions that they have to live in, but I care about the lives of the other human beings that are going to eat all of this stuff. So there's my vegan rant for the day. Power to the people that are out eating a plant-based diet and not dealing with all of that stuff. You're smart. At least the Cancer Research Center says that you're smart in the UK. And let's keep going on and let's keep working hard, living well.